Hey YouTubers, guess what I got? I got some fun mail from Texas. Blue Texas Tornado was nice enough to send me some Texas tickets and see if I can get a win for her. And if you've not checked out her channel, you need to go check her out. And I will link her down below. She has a pretty cool channel. She sent me 2 of these $2.20 times. We got a $5 red hot slots. A $5 hit 250,000. That would be nice. And a $5 Emerald Sevens. See what we want to do first? Probably the $2 tickets. We have ticket number 13 and 14. Lucky 13. And we are looking for match a winning number 10 times or 20 times. Let's see what the winning numbers are. 9 and 19. We got 11, 15, 6, 1, 12, 8, it's a one off, 13, 17, 7, and an 18, another one off. Well, that one's a loser. Let's see what's on this one. We have a 4 and a 16, 13, 9, 1, 7, 18, 6, 12, 19, 17, and an 8. Nothing on the low, boys. See what we can get on this hit 250,000. We're looking to match a number or get a hit symbol to win instantly or 5 times symbol. Winning numbers 35, 15, 23, 40, and 21. 19, 6, 37, 22, 17, 29, 38, 3, 23, 20, and one off, 32, 47, 44. We got a hit. Not a losing session. Number 1, 25, 26, 16, 48, 14, 12, 18, 43, 49, 4, and a 33. Let's see what's under this hit symbol. We have $5. That's a break even. At least we got her a win. Let's hope we can get some more. This Emerald 7. Over here we're looking to match a winning number. Get a 7 to win instantly. 7, 7 to win double. Over here we're looking for 3 matching symbols. Or 2 matching symbols and a 7. Let's do this one first. A cherry, an apple, and a pineapple. Come on, give us 3 of a kind. Well, nothing there. Winning numbers over here are 5 and 15. Got an 8. We got a 15. We got a win. 14, 32, 25, 38, 20, and 3. Let's see what's under this. 15. $5. That's another break even. At least we're getting her some wins. On this one, we have to look at the back. Reveal 3 matching symbols in the same spin. Get 2 matching symbols on a hot symbol to win 5 times. Let's get 3 of a kind or 5 times. I don't know if I can get it all in frame. Might have to move it up. Cherry, cherry. Ah, that was a tease. Another tease. Ooh, firecracker, firecracker. Aw. Vault, vault. This is a teasing ticket. Foot, lemon, bell. Yeah, we got a lot of teasers. Last chance. Well, we got $10 back. These 2 paid off. We got $10 back out of 19. Not too bad. And I will get those back in the mail. And thank you so much, Blue Texas Tornado. And everybody have a great day.